Ingredients for making puff puff. Oil, all-purpose, flour, instant yeast, sugar, salt, nutmeg, cinnamon, and warm water. Please note, don't use hot water because it will stop yeast from activating. Firstly, put the flour inside the bowl. After sieving, add cinnamon, nutmeg, sugar, and yeast. Inside the flour, also add little salt. Then mix it very well. Then add the warm water. Bit by bit, just normal like pap. Avoid much water when mixing to avoid puff puff from taking much oil. Then mix it very well. Use both hands. Make sure it is so smooth. Then, use very nice kitchen towel and cover it. Keep the mixture in a quiet side. Allow it to stay for 45 minutes. But after 25 minutes, open the cover and check the mixture to make sure that the yeast is active. Cover and keep until 45 minutes. When it's done, you are going to witness bubble on top of the mixture. Turning the mixture will enable the air to come out. Put oil in your frying pot and get ready. When the oil is hot, drop little to confirm. And the turnout was nice. This type of puff puff cannot have oil inside. Go ahead, fry with medium heat. Don't allow it to get burnt. You will see it turns out. If the fire is much, feel free to reduce the fire. It's almost done. When it starts changing color, it means that the puff puff is almost ready. Take it out from the oil. Open one just to confirm it's done. And puff puff is ready to be served. I'm going to come up with native dishes very soon. Thank you for watching. Subscribe now.